Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you connect Snapchat with other apps. Now there are two primary methods for connecting Snapchat with other application. That is sharing content directly to authorized app and logging into another apps using Snapchat's credential. Now if you want to share a content by or you want to connect it by sharing a content, then you just need to create or open up Snapchat and then create a snap. Alright, so like this you can go ahead and take a snap. Now you could click on the send to button, and when you click on the send to button, then you could go ahead and send it, or you could just click on the story button. Now when you click on the story button, this is how it's gonna look. Now once again, you could go ahead and you could then share your story to either WhatsApp, Instagram, or you could see on Twitter, Facebook, all that. So this is gonna be directly. So if you press on the Snapchat directly or Instagram directly, it's gonna take you, and there's no need to log in, or maybe you have to create an account. Now this is one way of doing it. So right, so next, if you want to connect by logging in, then what you have to do is some of the apps like Tinder and Bumble use a Snapchat kit to let you log into your Snapchat account. This makes it easier to share your Bitmoji and other content as well. So what you need to do is when you see the option to log in with Snapchat on a supported app, tap on it. You could review the shared information. You will be able to review the information the app is requesting, such as display your name or Bitmoji itself, and you could view or remove any content apps at any time by going onto your Snapchat settings and connecting the app. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.